There is a quiet frustration many intelligent people carry. From the outside, their lives look fine. They think deeply. They understand complex ideas. They see patterns others miss. And yet, they feel stuck. Not confused, not lazy, stuck. This is not a failure of intelligence. In many cases, it is a consequence of it. Smart people tend to see too much. They don't just see the next step. They see 10 possible futures. They see risks, trade-offs, unintended consequences. While others move forward with partial information, the intelligent mind waits for clarity. But clarity rarely arrives fully formed. So decisions get delayed. Plans stay unfinished. Potential remains unused. Not because of fear, but because of over-awareness. Another reason is expectation. Smart people are often praised early in life. You'll do great things. You have so much potential. You're different. Over time, those words become heavy. They create an invisible standard, a belief that whatever you do must be meaningful, that ordinary progress is not enough. So instead of starting small, you wait for the right path, the perfect use of your abilities. And while waiting, life moves on. There is also the burden of self-analysis. Intelligent minds reflect constantly. They examine motives. They question desires. They doubt conclusions. Reflection is valuable, but endless reflection can quietly replace action. You think about changing careers. Then you think about whether that desire is authentic. Then you think about whether your fear is rational. Then you think about whether thinking itself is the problem. And nothing changes. Not because you don't know what to do, but because you know too many reasons not to do it. Smart people also struggle with boredom. Many paths feel too simple, too repetitive, too narrow. But mastery requires repetition. Growth requires patience, and meaning often comes after commitment, not before it. When something doesn't immediately challenge the intellect, it is dismissed too early. So opportunities are abandoned before they have time to deepen. There is a quieter reason as well. Smart people are sensitive to absurdity. They notice how much of life is arbitrary, how success is not always fair, how effort and reward are loosely connected. This awareness can drain motivation. It becomes hard to fully commit when you can see the flaws in every system. But seeing the cracks in the world does not exempt you from living in it. Feeling stuck is often mistaken for lack of direction. In reality, it is often a lack of permission. Permission to be imperfect. Permission to start before understanding everything. Permission to choose a path without justifying it intellectually. Less intelligent people are not freer. They are simply less entangled in thought. The way forward is not more thinking. It is quieter than that. It is choosing one small direction and accepting that it will be incomplete. It is allowing action to teach what thought cannot. It is understanding that intelligence is a tool, not a compass. Smart people do not need better plans. They need trust in motion. Trust that clarity emerges after movement. Trust that meaning grows from involvement. Trust that a life is not solved, but lived. If you feel stuck, it may not be because you are lost. It may be because you are standing still, waiting for certainty in a world that only rewards courage. And perhaps the most intelligent thing you can do is take one step without fully knowing where it leads.